So today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a security on a push button or a slider in Wonderware InTouch application. First simply we have to open Wonderware InTouch application. You see here that I am taking a new file. You also take a new file. Here I have give some name XYZ. This you can give a different name. Here I am giving the name security first. And then finish. Open the new file. You have to ignore everything. File, new, security. Here you can change your color of your page. I have selected red. First what you can do, you can open wizards and take a slider. Here I have to show how you can create a security on slider. And after making a tank, you can take a tank and fill this tank. Give a tag name. Here I am giving tag name A and background color white. Okay, define tag name, save, close. Okay, then the fill color I am taking here blue, the watercolor, and give the tag name of slider A, and then okay. Then the most important step from here is, you can see, you can open a special security, select a security, InTouch security, and then again open select security, log on. In Wonderware InTouch, first we have to log on and then create security. The login ID is administrator, ADMINISTRATOR. This is default username and password, and password is Wonderware, DERWARE, and then we have to click OK. Here you can see a special security logon option is on. Then we can open configure. We have add a new username and password. Here I have to set a username is SURABHIANU Surbianuj, and the password is ANUJ9506, and here the access level is 999. You have to create any. I have to taking 9506, and then click on add. Okay, this is your username and password will created. Then what we can do here, we can break the cell of slider and use the property only on this slider switch. Here we have to give the disable property from here. In expression you can click double click and select access level first and OK, and here you can give double equal and insert the 4 numeric digit that you can put in your user ID and password. Below you can, I have to write from that place is 9506. I have to put here and then click OK. Okay, the most important thing is you can close your Wonderware view application. If view application is on, then this security will not work, and after completing all this issue, then you can go on runtime. Okay, ignore. Okay, you can see here I have to not able to on and off the slider because the security is on. Then how we can do this, you can open logic, security, and log on option. You can enter here your username. My username is and password is NUJ506, and then click on OK. Here you can see here this is working. If I can log out, log off, you can see here I am not able to slide this switch. So this, on this basis, this function will work. Thanks for watching.